In today's video, we're unboxing the Godox P260C Pro. I purchased this to have better lighting for my videos. And this is not a sponsored video, and I just like to show you what is inside the box. So it looks like there's a user manual. Silica gel. Power cable. Input 100 to 240 volts. Output 20 volts at 2.4 amps, 48 watts. Looks like it's got one of these connectors. A mount. And I did make sure to purchase the version that includes batteries. So this battery says it's an NP F550 video light battery by Ambitful. Includes an instruction manual. Let's see. We've got English and Chinese. And the battery does include a USB-C cable. And there's the rest of the power cord. I'd say it's about 5 feet, 6 feet. And another battery. So it does include 2 batteries. And at the end of the video, I will attempt to plug them in as well. Another USB-A to USB-C. And here is the light. So it does look like the spot where it connects to the mount is metal, which is great. It has the ability to be connected through USB-C or through the included power cable. There's power. Ooh, there's a nice little twist dial right here. A set button, a menu button, and a mode button. And of course the power button. And it does include NFC. I'm not sure exactly what the purpose of that is. But there is the light. And I will attempt to plug it in. Ooh. And I did feel a little tingle from it, but maybe that was just static. So we'll plug it to the DC in. Ooh, very bright. So I won't blind you with it, but that is a very bright light, especially compared to the ring light I'm using. So this is going to be a nice addition to my setup. And I'll just go through the setup process really quickly if you are interested in this light. Let's choose English. And it does look like you can decide. This does bring the light down, and this brings it up. So it's just for this, we'll put it at 50%. And you do have modes, CCT, FX, so flash, lightning, ooh, sorry, I hope nobody has epilepsy, cloudy, broken bulb, TV, candle, fire, which is kind of a nice glow. Ooh, and it does kind of a little shimmer. Firework. Explosion. Welding. Oh yeah. And SOS. So I think for now, we'll just go with cloudy. And it does give you some options for each. And it also has Bluetooth capability. I may download the app and actually give a further review in future videos. And through the menu, you have Bluetooth, language, display, factory reset, or fixture info. So thank you so much for watching. I will go into more details on this light. Let me show the actual LED. So that's pretty bright, but just to show you, it does get dimmer and it does get much brighter. So I think this is going to be a nice addition to my YouTube setup. And if you are interested, this is the Godox P260C Pro. This is not a sponsored video. I just purchased it as I thought it would be great. It also does include the batteries that you can connect in here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you are interested, like and subscribe. This is Rando Tech Nerd out.